Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Microsoft Clarity with GTM for event replay tagging step by step clearly. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container where you want to set up Microsoft Clarity. In the left-hand menu, click on Tags. Then, click the New button to create a new tag. Choose Tag Configuration and look for Custom HTML. In the Custom HTML field, insert the Microsoft Clarity tracking code. You can find this code in your Microsoft Clarity account under the Project settings. Next, enable the Support Document.Write option. Now, navigate to the Triggering section below the tag configuration. Click on the Triggering box to select a trigger for this tag. Choose All Pages to ensure it fires on every page of your website. After configuring the trigger, click Save to create your new tag. To ensure your changes take effect, click Submit in the top right corner of the screen. Add a version name and description for your new tag setup. Click Publish to save and apply your changes in Google Tag Manager. Next, log in to your Microsoft Clarity account. Select the project you are working with. In the project, click on Settings and navigate to the Integrations tab. Find the section for Google Tag Manager. Make sure it is linked to the right GTM container. After verifying, return to Google Tag Manager. Click Preview to enter preview mode and test your setup. Open your website in a new tab, and check if the Microsoft Clarity tag is firing properly. If all looks good, you are now ready to analyze user interactions. Head back to your Microsoft Clarity dashboard to check for data. You can start using the replay feature to analyze user behavior. Review your settings regularly to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated Microsoft Clarity with Google Tag Manager for event replay tagging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.